Welcome to the Root of All Broth. I'm Kathleen Hill, and this is the show where we talk about the inspirations behind the foods that we cook. Today we are continuing our celebration of comedians by creating a wonderful summer drink called the Gallagher. It's one of the first comedians I was ever exposed to. He was wonderful, he was fun, he was fantastic, and we've dedicated this drink to him. It's watermelon lemonade and a wonderful cocktail for the summertime. Okay, so let's get started to make this drink. What you're going to need for a pitcher of this is going to be 20 ounces of watermelon juice. What we did is we took a watermelon, we ran it through the blender, and then we put it through the sieve to get silky smooth juice. Of course, not the rind, just the meat of the watermelon. Then we need 8 ounces of lemon juice and 8 ounces of simple syrup and 8 ounces of water. So the simple syrup, if you've never made simple syrup, it's just a cup of water and a cup of sugar put on the stove until blended, and then you can keep that in the refrigerator for any drinks that you may want to make during the summertime. It's a really easy thing to do. So we're going to do this. We're going to make one with alcohol and one without alcohol. The one with alcohol is called the Gallagher. The one without alcohol is Gallagher's brother because it's great, but it's just a little weaker than the original. So let's get started making that drink. We're going to put ice in the glasses. Okay, now we're ready to put our drink together. So I put the ice in the glasses. We've got enough ice. Then we're going to take a shaker, pour the ice in. Now to this, we're going to add 2.5 ounces of watermelon. This measuring cup is an ounce and a half. If you make this full recipe, you'll get about 4 to 6 cups, like of highball glasses, depending upon how big your glasses are. Then we want 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 1 ounce of water. So it's 1 to 1 to 1 to 2.5. It will scale very easily. So if you want to make a huge pitcher for a party, you can do that. Remember, fresh fruit is best. Fresh watermelon, fresh lemons. Don't use any concentrate, use all fresh. Now we want to get the ice out. And if we want to add a couple more cubes, you can. And the finishing touch for this wonderful drink is fresh mint. You cannot leave this mint out. The mint makes the drink. Now that's going to be Gallagher's brother, right? Because Gallagher's brother doesn't have alcohol in it. We make the other one, we want to add alcohol. You can use 1 ounce of alcohol or to taste. So we're going to make the other one. Now the great debate, what liquor do you use? Now, I argued with my husband. I don't drink, but I used to drink. And I said, I think vodka would go good. You don't want any extra flavor. You want it to be fresh, refreshing by the pool. He said, no. Let's use rum. And I thought, no, but he tasted it. He likes the rum. So we took it to our jury next door, some neighbors. We let them taste it. And all the women said vodka. All the men said rum. So either way, I'm going to do this one with vodka. Whatever you like. 1 ounce, or to taste. I'm not here to judge you or tell you what to do. All right, let's shake it up. Pour it out. And ladies and gentlemen, we have the Gallagher and Gallagher's brother. Dynamic duo, perfectly acceptable for one or the other, but the one with alcohol is just a little stronger. Just like the original Gallagher, who made me laugh all those years ago. Thank you for joining us for this mini-sode. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you back next week.